Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel School Diaries. So in today's video we will be doing our next lesson, that is की मात्रा वाले शब्द जाखो मंदिर. So in this lesson we are going to learn the words with की मात्रा. Okay, so this is ang se angur, we have learned it. So how to put matra? Just a dot, that is a bindi we have to put on the letter and it will get the sound of ang. Ha became hans. This is angur. Pa, ta got the ang ki matra and it became tang, patang, pankh, bandar. This is how we'll read these words. There are more words given. So when we are reading these words, you must have wondered, every time we are giving different sounds for this bindi. Like here we are giving rang. Here we are giving the sound nya, panja. And here we are giving the sound ma, khamba. Why it is so? For that, let's see the Varnamala. For example, suppose this is the word rang. So we have to see after this bindi, what is the word which is coming next. If it is ga, so see the Varnamala, ga is in this ka line, that is in ka varg. So we have to give this sound, the last letter, that is nga sound, we have to give for that bindi. See another example, that is panja. So after bindi, ja is coming. So we'll go to ja line. This is our ja line. So for that bindi, we'll give this sound, that is nya sound, and it will become panja. Let's see another example. This is the word danda. So after bindi, da letter is coming. Let's see da line. So da is coming here. So in this line, this is the sound we will give for that bindi, na, and it will become danda. One more example. This is khamba. So after bindi, bha is coming. Let's see the bha line. Where is bha? In this line. Okay, so this is bha. So we'll give ma sound to that bindi, and that's why we are reading it khamba. Okay, so this is how the sounds are given to this bindi, and that's why it is different in each and every word. Okay, so you can see my Hindi explanation videos. In that I am reading all these words. Okay, so now let's go to our lesson, that is Jakho Mandir. So the name of the lesson is Jakho Mandir. So this is the name of the temple, Jakho Mandir, which is in Shimla. Shimla, where is Shimla? In Himachal Pradesh. Okay, capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. So there is a mandir, that is there is a temple in Shimla. Name of the temple is Jakho Mandir. So now let's start reading the lesson. अंजलि और मंथन माता पिता के साथ शिमला गए. अंजलि और मंथन, so अंजलि और मंथन, they are siblings. Okay, अंजलि is a girl and मंथन is a boy. Okay, so they both visited Shimla with their parents. माता पिता, their mother and father. They went to Shimla with their mother and father. वे जाखो मंदिर देखने गए. They went to see जाखो मंदिर. मंदिर के आसपास बहुत बंदर थे. सो देयर वेर लॉट्स ऑफ monkeys around that temple. आसपास means around. There were lots of monkeys around that temple. लंबी दुम वाले लंगूर भी थे. So langur is also a kind of monkey. His tail is a bit longer than the tail of monkey. Okay, so that is langur. अंजलि और मंथन इतने बंदर देखकर डर गए. सो अंजलि और मंथन, so you can see in this picture, this is Anjali and this is Manthan, and these are their parents. Okay, so after seeing these many monkeys near that temple, Anjali and Manthan, they got scared. They got scared after seeing those monkeys. पिताजी ने कहा, their father said, डरो मत, don't get scared. ये कुछ नहीं करेंगे. They won't do anything. It's okay, don't get scared. They will not do anything. चलो पूजा करें. So they were going to temple for doing the prayers. So their father said, let's go and do our prayer, that is do our puja. मंदिर में आरती हो रही थी. So Aarti is how prayers are done in Hindu temples. There will be a plate which is called thali, and in that there will be lots of things in that thali, and they will rotate the plate in a circular motion in front of the god. Okay, so this is how they do puja in Hindu temple. It is called Aarti. Okay, so mandir mein, so the Aarti was going on in that temple. The prayer was going on in that temple. पंडित जी शंख बजा रहे थे. पंडित जी, the priest of that temple, he was blowing the shank. Shank means it's a shell. Okay, so I'll show you the picture. See, so this is shank. So the priest of the temple, he was blowing this shank. So that is also the thing that happens while doing the aarti. When the priest does the aarti, he also blows the shank. So that was also going that time. Manthan ne ghanta bajaya. So Manthan rang the bell. There was a bell in the temple. It will be there if you have seen in Hindu temples. There will be a bell hanging over on the top. So Manthan rang that bell. पंडित जी ने मंथन और अंजलि को चंदन का टीका लगाया. So पंडित जी, the priest, he put tika. Okay, after prayer, after doing the aarti, he put tika, he put the bindi of sandalwood. Okay, so the priest put sandalwood tika on Anjali and Manthan after doing the aarti. थाली में से एक एक केला और संतरा दिया. Thali, in that aarti plate, he was having kela and santra, that is banana and orange. So the priest gave one banana and orange to Anjali and Manthan. वे मंदिर से बाहर आ गए. They came out of the temple. एक बंदर मंथन की ओर लपका. And then what happened? One monkey jumped towards Manthan because he saw that banana in his hand. Okay, he was coming towards Manthan. Manthan bhaga. Manthan ran from there. He got scared and he started running. बंदर ने उसके हाथ से केला छीन लिया. And what बंदर did? What that monkey did? He snatched that banana from Manthan's hand. Manthan रोने लगा. Manthan started crying because his banana that priest gave him, that monkey took it, so he started crying. बंदर अंजलि की तरफ बढ़ा. And then monkey started going towards Anjali because after having that banana, now he is going towards Anjali because Anjali was holding one orange. अंजलि ने संतरा गिरा दिया and she also got scared and she dropped her orange there. वह माता से लिपट गई and she went to her mother. She hugged her mother because she was very scared. बंदर संतरा उठाकर, and what बंदर did? What that monkey did? He picked up that orange and चला गया. He went from there. So this बंदर, he took banana and santra from Anjali and Manthan, which was given by the priest after the prayer. So that's all in this lesson. Okay, so this is about an experience of Anjali and Manthan when they visited Jakho Mandir. What happened with them? The lesson is over now. After that comes back exercises of the chapter, and that I have done in my Hindi explanation video of this lesson Jakho Mandir. You can go through it if you want. So that's all in this lesson. So next lesson we'll be doing in our next video. So meet you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care.